Urban Explorer and I want to create a course for the Appalachian Trail. So I'm going to press the plus. I'm going to go to create course. Then I'm going to search my existing thing. So Shoreline Drive is going to be the beginning of my trip. And I'm going to make this my starting point. Okay. And now I'm going to search and Gathland State Park is going to be my next place. Okay, I'm going to save that. Make it yellow. So you can see between Harper's Ferry, West Virginia, and Gathland State Park in Maryland, I'm going to be climbing 1,908 feet in elevation. I'm going to be traversing 13.5 miles. At one point, I'm going to go up 1,908 feet. And at another point, I'm going to go down 1,476 feet. So now I want to edit this course. And I want to, you can see this is 171 Shoreline Drive, Harper's Ferry, West Virginia to Gathland State Park. But I want to rename this. So we go to customize. In the name, we can make this day 1 Harper's Ferry to Gathland State Park, Maryland. I'm going to make that a save. I'm going to save that. Alright, so now let's look at our offline maps. You can see this was downloaded just a few minutes ago. Now we're going to, in our saved, you can see that we have day 1 as a route. I'm going to add this to a collection, add that to ADT, press done. All right, now let's get our music set up for our trip. All right, so I want to get in the ConnectIQ. So that's this here. We have our apps, my music. Sync our boot. We have this sync. Go to device. Go to auto update. Select a device. And let's see what we need to do to connect this. Okay, in the search section here, I'm going to go to Amazon Music, install, allow. And I'm going to go back. Click on YouTube Music, install, allow, okay. Deezer, install, allow, okay. Spotify, install, allow, okay.